Hello guys, good morning. How are you today? Join me. Let's take exercise. Let's play basketball at Street 10, Discovery Garden. Let's go. Time check, 7 a.m. February 11, UAE time. Hello to all my friends and colleagues.
Papawis ka lang konti.
Stay safe, stay healthy always. Guys, you need to take exercise sometimes when you have a day off, because exercise is good health for you. Okay? Good morning to all my big boss. It's a beautiful day. Shout out Sanjay Lama, Boss Shapik, and Boss Tangkachan. Always take care. Stay healthy. Best regards to all DJ boys. Street 10. Also Street 3. Play safe. Stay healthy always, my friend. Hello to my friend Albert Pardillo from Satwa. Stay pretty boy. 3 points. Nice shot, easy layup. Kyrie Irving, 3 points. Bang, bang, bang. Hi to all. Shipsy, Concourse A. Number 1, Rakam Wahid. Mia Mia.
Shout out, Boss Menjil. Happy vacation, LeBron James. Come here, let's play.
Steph Curry for 3. Good shot. Game ball. Guys, don't forget, subscribe. Yorme 23. Stay safe, stay healthy. Maasalam.